All right, everybody, how you doing? This is Smoking Bears. Today, I'm part of a collaboration with a bunch of other awesome YouTube channels. I'll put their links down below. It's called #showusyourfattie. And today, we're going to take it outside. We're going to put it on a gas grill. We're going to cook it indirect. I want to use some pellets and some wood chips from my last cook in a smoker box and try to smoke them up. Cheers, let's get into this. Alright, for today's cast of characters, we have bacon for our bacon weave, we have sausage, we have some cottage cheese, we have lasagna noodles, we have some Prego mushroom sauce, and some mozzarella. So let's get this wrapped up. Alright, so first we're going to lay out our bacon for our bacon weave. So now we got it all weaved out pretty tight there. Crap. We're going to take our sausage. We want to flatten it out. To about this width. All right, now we got that done. Let's pour in some sauce.
Are you gonna spread it around?
Yep.
Okay. I don't know what you had planned.
Yep, spread it around. Just like so. Looks like I could use a little more right there. And that's good. All right.
Is a fatty like sushi, kind of?
Like a meat sushi.
Yeah.
Kinda. All right. Now, I'm probably gonna roll it this way. So I'm gonna take these are oven ready noodles. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna throw in a little cottage cheese. You know, you could use ricotta. This is just the way that I've always made it. And then tear up some mozzarella.
Just how Grandma Susan did?
Yep, that's how my mama made it. Alright. So now, I'm going to roll that up to get the bacon first. Right like that. And I'm going to flip that noodle there. Alright. I'm going to build another one right there. Build another one in like this. Let's tear up some more mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Alright. And then roll that up again if I can. All right, nice and tight. Roll that up like so. Fold my ends in, just like that. Okay.
It's kind of bloody one, but...
Take that bacon, poke it in there. Pour just a bit of sauce on top. Smooth that around. All right. All right, now let's head out to the gasser.
Go ahead.
All right, so we got our fatty on a rack just for easy cleanup and catch the grease. We got it under a tray. Here's our smoker box. It's got some chips in it from our last cook. So I'm gonna dump some pellets in there. All right, so there's some applewood pellets in my smoker box. They had some applewood chips and some mesquite, so I don't know whether we'll get any flavor from that or not. All right, guys, so we're getting pretty close. Showing about a 142 right there, but as you can see, we're pretty much there. There's 159, 147. So what I wanted to show is I got my smoker box. I have this burner on and this burner on. These two are off, giving me my indirect cooking. All right, guys, so this fatty looks awesome. Took about an hour and 20 minutes, hour and a half. Rolling it about, it was set about 325, 350 with that smoker box with pellets in it, some applewood pellets, and it was smoking up pretty good. So let's cut into this.
Looks good.
All right. Maybe I let it rest for too long.
Rex. Wow, look at that.
Does it look good?
Yeah, the inside looks really good.
All right, let's see. Woo. So I cut a piece here. Oh, I chopped part of the cheese. It was just amazing. I'll just get a piece here with the now that's some good stuff. Let's give some to the dog here. What do you think, Rex? We got some tail wagging. Woo! I got some tail wagging. Nice. All right.
That's how you know it's good if the dogs like it.
Oh my goodness. All right, guys. That is awesome. Very good. The noodles cooked. Those are the oven-ready noodles. I only had 2 of them in there, but they cooked all the way through. Looks like we got a little bit of a smoke ring on that sausage. Just a little bit, yeah. So got that bacon and ooh, it tastes like a lasagna. Ooh-wee. Wow. That is awesome. Get that creaminess. Boy, I should have done this a long time ago. Alright, guys. That's Smoking Bears. Follow the hashtag #ShowUsYourFattie. We'll put the links down below of everybody that I know that's in it. There may be a few other stragglers that I didn't know about, but check them out. And just remember, man, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did it taste good? Did you have fun? We did both. Rock on. You're awesome. And we'll see you guys soon.